welcome back to yet another video. I am Tsholo Phoka for those that are new to this channel. On this video, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to do mini twists and how to have less visible gaps in your hair, because we know when you're doing braids or twists and you have thinner hair or medium density hair, you'll have those gaps in your hair which sometimes you might not want. You might obviously want them if you're doing maybe box braids or a style like that, but sometimes you just want to do normal twists or braids that do not have those gaps. So I'm going to show you how to achieve this. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the like button as well as the notification button to be notified of every time I post a new video. And without talking too much in this intro, let's get straight into this video. In this video, I'm going to be using just water in a spray bottle. I'm also going to be using Shea Moisture Restorative 2-in-1 Leave-In and Deep Conditioner. I'm also going to be using an Afro comb just to part those lines. So as you can see, I'm opening the lines diagonally. That's what's going to make the twist look fuller and also not leave a lot of gaps. That's what you want to do when you have the thinner density hair or medium density hair. I'm going to spray water into that section that we're going to twist, and I'm also going to seal it in with that conditioner just to make sure that those twists are moisturized and look good when we are done with them. So from that section that I parted diagonally, I'm just going to create smaller sections that I'm going to twist. We're going to do this throughout our whole head. You'll just see as I go along throughout this video. The twisting part is the easiest. You just roll the hair and then twist, roll the hair and then twist as you go down, making sure you also secure it with your hands and don't leave it because that's going to create bumps. So just pull it down as you twist it down. These parts may look big and like they're going to leave gaps, but you'll see as I'm done, they're going to be closed by other twists that I'm doing because we're doing this in diagonals and not in boxes. As you can see, each line that I do is going to be diagonally. I'll never go straight. I'll always go diagonally. Don't forget to keep moisturizing each section of the hair. The lighting is going to change now and then because we're experiencing load shedding, so bear with me on that one. When you get to the front, you're still going to go diagonally. I took it from the back coming to the front. As you can see now at the front, it looks like one side part, but it's not. It's diagonal from the back. As you can see, as I go further and further up, those gaps are closing in my hair because these twists are not in one line, as in one line for them to make any gaps. They diagonally, so they're going to keep on closing and covering each other. So when I get to the front, I'm going to change directions. The boxes were starting to get too straight, so now I'm just going to go from the front going to the back to make sure that all the lines are diagonal. So I'm on the last two lines and you can still see that those lines are still diagonal. They're going to make a fringe coming into my face. So now I'm done. As always, I'm just going to move those twists around just to lay them in the perfect position that I want them in. As you can see, I'm done and there are not a lot of gaps on my twist. I'm going to show the back in a moment. So now I'm going to show you the nighttime upkeep. I'm just going to pull those twists into a direction going to the back, and then I'm going to pin them down with pins. I'm going to do this all throughout my hair, and then I'm going to put on a headscarf, a satin headscarf. So the next day I'll just take off those head pins and then fluff the hair around to put it in the direction and also the position that I want it in. And that is that. So do leave a comment below on if you're a natural that loves wearing twists. Maybe twists are your style, or you just love wearing them because you can just let your hair go when you're wearing your twist. You do not have to comb, you do not have to do a lot to your hair because they're already protected. But do know that if you're wearing twists, you still have to protect your hair when you're wearing maybe cotton clothes, like maybe putting your twist in a bun or maybe putting a headband so that it doesn't touch your clothes, because twists are not a full protective hairstyle. They're a mini or medium protective hairstyle because your hair is locked, but still your hair will be rubbing against your clothes and causing friction, which could break your hair. So my advice to that is I'll enjoy twists mainly in summer, probably not that much in winter, or when I'm doing them in winter like now, I'm going to be wearing it mostly in a bun. So I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.